Enterprise software has always demanded expertise, navigating through menus, configuring the reports, and writing the queries. Most employees never get the data they need because getting it just too hard. What if your ERP could simply talk to you? So, introducing OBAC, Openbravo Assistant Core, a direct integration between any LLM and your Openbravo ERP. Built on Model Context Protocol, it works with Claude, OpenAI, and any AI assistant of your choice. It has got 10 specialized tools purpose built for enterprise operations. From purchase orders to revenue intelligence, sales analysis to invoice processing, OBAC brings the full power of your Openbravo ERP into a single conversation. Let us show you what that looks like. So this is Claude connected to OBAC. And we are about to show you three things that will change how you think about business software forever. We have all been there. It's Monday morning, the same question every week. Where are we with our latest purchase orders? The usual answer: 20 minutes of navigating reports, setting filters, waiting for the data to load. Today, 7 words are typed. Get the last 5 purchase orders. There's no filters, no modules, and no technical setup. Claude connects to Openbravo, queries the database, and returns a clean structured table. There you go, which includes numbers, vendors, order dates, totals, currencies, and statuses instantly. The most recent order, a draft from March 2026, and 4 completed orders from June 2021, ranging from 119,500 all the way to $693,500. So, what used to take clicks through multiple screens done in seconds with plain English. So let's go deeper. The big meeting is tomorrow. Someone needs to show who the top customers are and how much they are bringing in. That means reports, exports, charts, formatting. Hours of work nobody has time for. Instead, one line is typed. What are our top customers by revenue and prepare a dashboard? One sentence, no BI tool, no data team. So let's wait for a couple of seconds. Yes, here it is. So Claude queries every completed sales order, groups by customers, ranks by revenue, and builds a fully interactive dashboard live right here in this conversation. As we can see, there are four headline metrics at the top: total revenue, total orders, customers, and average order value. Coming to the total revenue across all the 12 customers, which is 693 million euros, and the top customer is Bebidas Alegres and 1430 completed orders in total. And the average order value is 485,000 euros per order. Below that, a revenue bar chart, an average order value comparison, a full customer leaderboard with progress bars. But here's the insight: Claude surfaces automatically the top 3 customers and also gives a revenue share donut chart. For the top customers, account for 42.2% of all the revenue, nearly half between just the 3 names. Now, a different challenge. The sales team needed to know where things stood, but pulling the data meant waiting on reports, chasing the right person, or spending an hour in spreadsheets nobody had time to. So they just asked, "Show me the sales for the last 2 months and get the insights." And here you go. Now Claude identifies the most active sales period in the system, May and June 2021, pulls all completed invoice across 12 customers, and builds a full comparison dashboard with auto-generated insights. The numbers: 14.13 million in March and April, and 12.95 million in May and June, which nearly 27 million combined. But here's a flag. The revenue is declined 8.3% month over month. Claude got it automatically. The side by side chart shows every customer May and June versus March and April so that you can see at a glance, and then Claude goes further and generates insights and also the business insights instantly. So from the comparison, we can see that Oakley's Bevino Chase jumped from number 4 to number 1 up to 16.1%. That's the fastest growing account. Bebitas Allegris, the previous top customer, was dropped to 22.4%. That's the steepest decline, and account check health is overdue. And Sleepwell Hotels quietly grew 17.4%, which is a hidden bright spot. So, from the comparison, we can clearly see that this is not just a data, this is a boardroom ready intelligence from a single question. So, finally, three prompts and three answers: purchase history, revenue ranking, sale trends, and business insights, all from the plain English. So, there's no need to create any dashboards, no reports to schedule, and no SQL to write, and no training required. OBAC connected to Openbravo doesn't just retrieve your data, it understands it, it visualizes it, and tells you what matters. So, this is the future of enterprise AI, which is intelligent, which is conversational, built for everyone, and it's available right now.